Welcome back to the channel. If you're running a corporation or an incorporated business, tax season can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, today I'll walk you through a complete, foolproof guide on how to use TurboTax Business Incorporated for 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to navigate the software, enter your financial details, and confidently prepare your business taxes without stress. Let's dive in. Getting started with TurboTax Business first, open your web browser and head to the official TurboTax website. If you already have an account, simply click Sign In. If this is your first time, click Create Account and follow the quick sign-up process. After logging in, you'll land on the TurboTax home dashboard. This is your command center. Every tax-related task starts here. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you can easily find what you need later. Reviewing and editing your information. Next, select the Review/Edit option from the dashboard. This is where you'll double-check and update all your key details before starting the return. Click the Personal Profile tab to make sure your business name, address, and other essentials are up to date. Accuracy is critical here because even a small typo can delay your filing. You'll also enter key personal information like your social security number or employer identification number, your business type, and your filing status. TurboTax will guide you with on-screen prompts, making sure every box is filled in correctly. Reporting your business income. Now it's time to report your income. TurboTax Business makes this simple by asking you a series of questions. Carefully enter every source of income your business earned in the year: wages, rental income, investments, or any other revenue streams. The software is designed to catch common mistakes, but the accuracy of your entries is what ensures you're claiming every deduction and maximizing your return. Final review and filing. Once all your details are entered, TurboTax will run a final review. It checks for errors and flags anything that needs attention. Take this opportunity to correct anything before submitting. When everything looks perfect, you can securely e-file your return or print it out for mailing. TurboTax even provides clear confirmation once your return is successfully submitted. And that's it with TurboTax Business Incorporated. Filing your 2025 business taxes can be straightforward and stress-free. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Good luck with your filing. And here's to a smooth tax season.